Hello, today we will look how to visualize the data frame, a Pandas data frame. So the data that I'm going to use is from this website. It's taken from a book on machine learning, and this is the link. So first of all, we need to download that data. So I'm going to use request. So we can first create a file, say file name as housing.tgz. This is a zipped document, as a zipped CSV file. So now I am going to use r equal to request initial. We can also first of all initialize this link to a URL as a variable name, and it's a string. So now use the request module and URL. Let's start get URL. That's it. And if you want, you can look at the r.status code. So let's see if it's okay. Yeah, so we downloaded and we are going to save it in the file. So we open a file object, create a file object with the file name, and we are going to write the binary file, the thing that we downloaded. So what we're going to do is f.write r.content, and then we can close the file. So now we have created a file with file name housing.tgz, and we got the content from the URL, and we wrote using the write function the content of that of that page, or here. Now basically we are downloading the data. So now we can just run. Of course, it is every time we run, it is also every time fetching, which is not a really nice way. We can modify the code once we download it. We don't need to keep on doing it again and again. So we got the data. Of course, it is in a TGZ format, so we can use tar file module and say tar equal to tar file dot open. So our file name here is housing.tgz, and so now we open the file, and then we say tar dot extract all, and we need to and then tar dot close. So this basically extracts all, and this basically unzips the tar file and creates a TGZ file. And so now we can go ahead, use the pandas, import pandas, and we can as import pandas as, of course, PD to make it easier for us. So now we say df equal to pd.read csv, and of course we need to pass the file name, which will be housing dot. You can look in the directory wherever you see. At the moment it is saving everything in the current working directory. So I know this because I already done this one time before. So now we can read it using the pd.read CSV, and just now look at print df if everything is all right. Yeah, so it's working. So this I'm going to show you very simple way as a first step how to look at the df in the most simplest way. So we can use matplot library, import matplotlib, maybe import, we say import pyplot as plt, and we can say df.hist and plt.show. So that's it. So here we have a very beautiful plot of our data. You can see each of the indices, and we have a bar or histogram here, plot. So that's basically is it, and the code is very simple. As the beginning step was just to download the data, which I have also shown in some previous videos. Very easy, just use the request module and just the get function, and just write it in a binary file format. That's all we are doing here. So once we get the data, you could also just manually untar it outside Python or download it outside Python. This is just since we are using Python, we can have everything at one place. And the whole point today I wanted to show, you read the CSV file from this line, read cs_csv function, and then we just use df.histogram. You have a nice wonderful plot. All right, thank you very much.